Okay, this presentation covers market basket analysis, which will help you with your last and final homework, homework 12. What is market basket analysis? Market basket analysis uses purchase data to identify associations between products or a combination of products or services that frequently occur together. For example, if a customer purchases milk and soda, they will also likely purchase bread, beer, and salty snacks. This idea can be applied to many products, some of which don't really need a computer algorithm to provide, these kind of insights. There's another outside of market basket analysis, or nothing, another thing called finding co-occurrences, which you can do pretty easily in something like Excel or a database. A co-occurrence, what happens when something else happens. So it's kind of a similar algorithm, but we're going to talk about market basket analysis today. So what or how is market basket analysis used in practice? So there are many practical applications for market basket analysis in both online and brick and mortar stores. Amazon uses collaborative filtering. And while the book says they have mastered it, I beg to differ. They use it heavily, and sometimes it works and sometimes not so much. Supermarkets use market basket analysis for product placement in the store, as it helps to identify what products are being purchased together. Uncovering the relationship between products to promote bundle purchases is important for identifying patterns and maximizing sales. Association rules. So we're going to talk about something called association rule mining, another kind of another algorithm. So anyways, an association rule defines the relationship in a transaction data set using if-then statements. If a specific product, the antecedent, is purchased, then the consequent product will also be purchased as they share a co-occurrent relationship. The a priori algorithm identifies items that are associated based on the frequency that those products occur together in the basket. Well, there are three main calculations, support, confidence, and lift, that occur in market basket analysis. And both their definitions and formulas are provided here to allow you to see how they are calculated. Support measures the frequency of the specific association rule. Confidence measures the probability of the consequent actually occurring given that the antecedent occurs. And lift enables us to evaluate the strength of that association. And if you actually get into marketing analytics, lift is an important term because that's generally what you know your bosses are going to be interested in. How can we increase the lift? So differential market basket analysis is the use of market basket analysis techniques across stores, location, season, days of the week, and so on. First, you would run a market basket analysis in one location and then compare it to other locations to see if the results differ. In association rules, the goal is to find frequently purchased items, sets, and make recommendations when one of those is put into a basket, which is useful when products are frequently purchased together. However, what happens if the company wants to offer personalized recommendation when items are not purchased frequently? Let's look a bit more at that. So, collaborative filtering examines a user's preference for a set of items, which could be captured explicitly or implicitly with a goal of recommending new products to a customer who has not purchased them before. There are two main types of collaborative filtering: item to item filtering or user to item filtering. This makes my wife angry because she doesn't want the selections for women in her age group, like makeup, but would rather see some items she is actually interested in, like Legos or video games. But algorithms aren't aware of personal interests most of the time. So this should be along among the limitations. So to measure similarities in collaborative filtering, a distance measure is selected and applied to provide recommendations, like the table shown. All right. So that is the end of this presentation on market basket analysis, which should help you with homework 12. We'll go into more of applied use of it in class, but hopefully this gives you some underlying terminology and understanding before we actually apply the material.